In this video, I'm going to show you how to add categories to Google Calendar. So it's actually quite simple. First, open up Google Calendar, so calendar.google.com, and you will have to log in in case you're not logged in yet. And then what you want to do is click down here where it says Other Calendars, and click on this plus icon next to it, and then click Create New Calendar. In here, you have to name this calendar. For me, I'm gonna name it Study. So study, there we go, and you can add a description if you want to, and then change your time zone. So you have to select your time zone, of course. I'm gonna leave this as my time zone over here, and the owner will be you, of course. And then you want to click create calendar, and this will take a few seconds, and after that's done, you'll be able to see your new category over here on the list. As you can see right now, there we go, and I'm gonna go out to show you how to add it. Now you can see it over here, and just to make a difference, I'm gonna change its color to red so we can see it better. And then once you go in here and you want to create, for example, an event, so let's say you want an event over here, when you click it, and then you select a certain time when you want the event over here, and if you scroll down to where it says your name, so for me it's Instant How To, you want to click on it, and over here where it says Instant How To, you want to click on it, or for you it will say your name. You can select Study, which is the new category you just selected, as you can see. So for me, I'm going to select Study. There we go. You can change color yet again if you want to, and then after you've done this, you've selected your category successfully, press save, and there we go. It has been saved to your calendar, and then you can do with it whatever you want to. So if you then want to remove a category, you can simply click this X over here, remove calendar, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.